Okay, everybody, we're going to solve question number 2 on the 2017 PSAT Math No Calculator section. Oftentimes, the SAT and the PSAT will ask us to interpret a word problem, but not to solve it, and this is one of those cases. So the first step, if you have to think this out, is to define our variables. So let's read the question. A dance teacher ordered outfits for students for a dance recital. Outfits for boys cost $26. Outfits for girls cost $35. The dance teacher ordered a total of 28 outfits and spent $881. So this is actually a pretty straightforward systems of equations question. And although we haven't gotten to the end of the question, let's go ahead and write down what we know to this point. First is we know that B, we're going to let that represent the number of boys. And be careful that you don't say that B equals 35. Make sure that your variables in systems of equation problems, they almost always represent the quantity of something and not the price or the cost of something. G, we are going to say represents the number of girls. And now we have to put some equations together. So there are two equations built in to these statements. The first is the total cost. So, or actually, let's just say the total number of outfits. So we know that 28 outfits were purchased. And how many outfits were purchased? We don't know how many boys and how many girls, but we do know that if we add the boys' outfits and the girls' outfits together, we have 28 outfits. And we also know that they spent $881. And how does that break down? Well, they spent $26 for every boy's outfit that was purchased and $35 for every girl's outfit that was purchased. So at this point, on some other tests, we might actually have to solve for B or G, but in this case, they just want to know which equations are represented by the question. And as we look through these, nope, that's not right. This looks right, but let's look through everything in case I'm missing something. This is wrong because boys and girls were switched, and this is wrong for a similar reason. In fact, actually, these two choices, they swapped the cost and the quantity here. So B is our correct choice.